In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage ping messages in Basecamp by showing you how to remove or hide entire ping threads from your view. This process can be really helpful if you're looking to declutter your inbox, or just want to distance yourself from certain conversations that are no longer relevant to you. Let's start by understanding a little more about ping messages. In Basecamp, pings are essentially direct messages that allow you to have one-on-one or small group conversations within the platform. They're a neat way to keep up with your colleagues without cluttering up your email or project threads. However, there might be times when you no longer need to follow a particular thread. Unfortunately, Basecamp doesn't allow you to delete individual messages once they've been sent. But don't worry. You do have the option to delete or hide entire ping threads from your view if they are cluttering your workspace. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Basecamp and locate the ping conversations you want to clean up. Up in the top right corner of your Basecamp window, you'll see a speech bubble icon. Go ahead and click that. This icon conveniently leads you to your centralized communication hub in Basecamp, where you can access all your pings. Once you click the speech bubble, you'll see the Pings tab. This is where all your ping conversations reside. Here, you'll need to take a moment and find the specific conversation you wish to remove from your view. This could be for any number of reasons. It's no longer relevant, you want to reduce notification clutter, or perhaps it was just a conversation that you've resolved and don't need to keep front and center anymore. After you've identified the conversation you want to remove, hover over it with your cursor. You'll notice a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Actions menu, appearing. Click on this menu. This will give you a few options depending on whether it's a one-on-one ping or a group conversation. For group conversations, you'll see the option to Leave Conversation. Selecting this will remove the ping thread from your view. However, if it's a one-on-one conversation, the option will be to delete this conversation. Keep in mind that doing this won't delete the conversation for everyone. Instead, it will only remove it from your own list of pings. The other person or participants will still be able to see the conversation on their end. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently manage your ping messages in Basecamp. This little tidbit of knowledge should help keep your communications organized and your mind at ease, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.